Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add budgets for your Revolut account. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on Analytics, and in Analytics you can see your budget. Just click on it. Budget controls, okay. Budget categories, okay. And now let's go, I know, you're gonna see it here, monthly budget. And you can just set it up as much as you want. Done. And here we got it. So this is how you can easily add budgets. And you can really play around it. Nice. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.